We'll guide you through how to restore deleted contacts on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you accidentally went and deleted a contact or multiple, or you purposely did and now you want to go and recover them as it was an accident. We're going to guide you through how you can go about this. There are different ways you can do this, so make sure it's this full video and you can then go and try it out. So for example, let's go and say you went and deleted some the other day or just recently. What we can then do is come out of the contacts app, as we can't actually do it in here itself. What we're going to need to do is you need to go and head to your web browser like so and go and open it up. In your web browser, you need to go and head to iCloud. So you can go and type in iCloud.com or you can go and search for it like so. Then you want to come to iCloud.com like this. You want to go down and you can go and see the button for sign in. You can go and tap there. You should go and get a prompt for signing in and you can go and use the passkey on your device. It's really simple. I can go and use Face ID as you can see there. So go and wait for this to load. It shouldn't go and take too much longer. And here we are. So you can go and see loads of useful data on here. What we need to do is we need to go to the top right and you'll go and see the app icons. There's sort of loads of little dots just up here. And then what you need to do is you need to go down and you can find the option for data recovery. You can go and tap there like this. Now it's going to go over different bits of data which you can go and restore. So you want to go and scroll down until you can go and find contacts and you can click here. Now do keep watching as you've got another method and so you know the intricacies of this. So as you can see, these are different archives you can recover to. Every few days it's got one we can go and restore to. So you should go and restore to the closest one possible. Now it is important to note that if you've got an added contact since this, those are going to go and be lost. But it says your current contacts will be archived so you can get them back if needed, because you may have added one since, which is important to note. So what we can do is go and restore to one yesterday. So I can go and press restore like so, and then it's going to say your current contacts will be archived. Changes made to contacts while restoration is in progress will not be saved. So press restore. Now go and wait while it says restoring. It shouldn't go and take too long, but we'll just go and wait here. As you can see, they've now been restored. So you can go and press OK. But as you can see, we can still go and restore to the ones we're at 430, which we've just gone now. So we can always go and find those details that we deleted, save them and restore to our latest one here again. So then what you can do is you can come out of here and you can try looking in the contacts app and going seeing that. Just to make sure they go and update, what you can do is come into your settings and you're going to be on the main page here. Come right to the top and you can tap your name and you can then go down and find iCloud and tap there. And you want to go and find save to iCloud. And what's worth doing is just turning contacts off. You want to go and press keep on my iPhone, wait for this to load and then turn them back on and merge them just to go and make sure they're fully synced. And then what you can do is go and open up the contacts app and hopefully you can then go and find them. As I said, it's worth then saving those contact details from them because if you've added any others, you can then go and restore to the latest one. And then you can add those deleted details back to the newly restored ones. So there we go. However, if that doesn't work for you, don't worry, we've got another option because you may be going and using Gmail, as you can see. So if you want to go and restore Gmail contacts, what we can do is you can come out of here and you want to go and open up a web browser. I'll go and open up Safari again. This time you want to come to google.com. Then you want to go to the top right, press your profile icon, sign in if needed, and you can make sure you're switching to the right Google account here as well. If you've got multiple, you can switch. Then you can go and press manage your Google account like so. Wait for this to load. You can then go and find the option for people and sharing. Go and tap there. You want to then go into contacts and you can press contacts. Now you want to go and press the three lines in the top left. And you want to go down and you can go and find the option for trash like so. Now we can go and see these contacts here and you can see where they were deleted from. So I had a contact called Tucker here, which is deleted on an iOS device, this one here. So I could then go and tap on it. I can go and tap on some others as well if I wanted to. And then what you can do is go and press recover in the top right. Then they'll go and be recovered. It'll go and say working, just wait. And they've now been recovered and they'll be added back. And so then they should go and be back in the contacts app. Once again, if you want to go and make sure these are fully synced, you can open up settings. You can then come back here, press search at the bottom and we'll go and type in mail. And then you can tap there and you want to press mail accounts, find the Gmail and you can switch off contacts. You can press delete from my iPhone. They're only deleting them from your iPhone, not your Google account. Then you can switch it back on and they'll re-go and sync. And then hopefully those contacts will now be back and you've successfully recovered and restored them.